Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have another Tip Tuesday for you, and it is a quickie. In a recent video, I think yesterday, and then in some other recent videos using Creative Retreat kits, I mentioned that I like to add these tonic Nuvo Crystal Drops to my stickers to create some faux enamel stickers. So I wanted to show you in depth, kind of close up what that looks like. So if you want more information about this product, I have another Tip Tuesday. I will link it here in the top right hand corner as well as down below, just highlighting these Nuvo drops and what they are and what you can do with them. But this one in particular is clear when it dries, and I like to add these to my stickers to add some dimension. So when I first get my kit, this is the very first thing I do because it does take about a day for these to set up and really be dry. So I like to do them right off the get-go. And at the beginning of the video, you could see I kind of squeezed a little bit out at the top of the sheet there, and that was just to make sure I got all of the air out of the nozzle first before I take it to the page. And this is in real time, so you can see just how slowly I apply this product. And also, what you can't see is that I'm making sure that the nozzle of this product does not touch the sticker sheet, so it is slightly hovering over the top of these stickers, and that just gives you a better, smoother, cleaner finishing look. And I'm staying just to the inside of the cut lines of these stickers. That way they don't crack or break apart when I go to take them off the sheet. And so I'm just really slowly, carefully applying this product to these stickers. This is not necessary. This is just an added little detail that I like to do, jazzes up these stickers. And if I try to do this every time I use these stickers, it'd be kind of annoying because they do take so long to dry. So that's why I like to do it all in one get-go, just do the whole sheet. You do want to stick to just the smaller stickers. Those large ones like the ampersand and the Oh My Soul, when you apply that much product, it has a tendency to have bubbles and crack and fall, and it just doesn't do as well on really big, large spaces like that. But it works great for these little circles and hearts. You could also do this with glossy accents if that's something that you have in your collection. I've just really fallen in love with these Nuvo drops and like how they perform. Another little thing you can do here, I have this brush pen. This is the Wink of Stella Clear Glitter Real Brush Pen. So it's like a brush marker that has clear glitter. And so I'm applying that to the sticker first, these little crosses. And then I can go in with that Nuvo drop. And that just adds a little bit more sparkle and shine and detail to these pieces. Or you could do this without the Nuvo drop and just add the glitter. I just like to jazz these up and make them look a little less like just cardstock stickers. And that way there's just some more interest to my projects that I use these in, and just kind of makes them fun. I don't know. But I realized I had mentioned that I did this in a lot of videos but hadn't really shown you how I do it. So I thought I'd just take a Tip Tuesday to show you really quick what that looks like. And this is still in real time, so you can see I'm just very slowly, very carefully applying this. A little bit goes a long way. It does settle a little bit as it dries, so just keep that in mind. And some of these don't turn out perfect, but that's okay. I mean, it's handmade, and it's a lot cheaper than buying enamel stickers. So I'm just going to finish up the cross there. And then I set these aside and let them dry overnight. Make sure you keep them out of reach of your little ones. I've had my kids grab them and ruin them. So here's the next day. You can see they have dried. They are now totally clear and have this really fun dimension, and I can just pop these off and use them in my Bible as I see fit. They have a little bit of dimension without being too chunky to use in your Bible. So I hope that was helpful. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the process or the products, and give this video a thumbs up if you were inspired. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.